Hi! In this video we'll start having a look at CSS. CSS is a language used for describing the visual look and formatting of a document written in a markup language. It's used to describe how elements will appear on screen or other media when rendered by the browser. Since its birth, CSS went through a few versions, called levels, with CSS Level 1, now obsolete, CSS Level 2.1, the most widely supported version, and CSS Level 3, the current version, still a work in progress and on its way to be standardized. So let's see how CSS works and how it fits into a web page. CSS is composed by a set of rules. Each rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The rule will be checked by the browser, and if applicable, will influence part of the DOM targeted by the selector, with the visual formatting and style indicated in the declaration block. A selector is just a path that identifies one or more elements where the declaration block must be applied. The declaration block consists of a list of declarations surrounded by curly braces. Each declaration is a key value pair, composed of an English keyword that identifies the visual property we want to change and the value we want to assign to that property. The rules cascade, and that's why they are called cascading style sheet. They are applied in order of precedence, like the many layers of an onion. The order of precedence is rule created by the browser, rules created by the user, rules created by the document author. Where an element is targeted by rules present in different layers, the outermost layer will take precedence over the preceding ones. Rules are also affected by inheritance. This is the mechanism by which properties are applied not only to the element selected by a rule, but also to its descendants in the document hierarchy. As an example, a font applied to the body of the document will be inherited by all the text-sensitive elements contained within the body tag. That's all for this lesson. In the next video, we'll have a look at how CSS can be applied to a document.